In this video, we will show you our project that is spot vector regression. Basically, SVR uses the SVM algorithm to predict the continuous variable. It tries to fit the best line within a predefined or threshold error value. In this project, we create a model with the help of SVR algorithm that predict the values. For implement it, we have a data set of a company. In the dataset, we have three columns, that is position, level and salary. Position or level is an independent variable, and on the graph x-axis represent position, and this salary is a dependent variable on the level or position, and on the graph y-axis it represents salary. This dataset helps us to predict the salary if there is any new position or level added. If we run the project, it will show the graph based on that dataset. On the graph, the x-axis values from -0.17 to 0.5. Our model will predict possible accurate value, and before -0.17 and after 0.5 on the x-axis, our model will predict inaccurate values. Here is the example. If we give the new value or level value to our model, it will predict the salary. Here I am giving 6.5 value. Model will predict the salary. Here we get the value, that is 1,70,000 approximately. And on the data set from level 6 to 7, we have a value that is 1,50,000 and 2 lakh. It means the model predicts the accurate value. Now I will give the value to the model for predicting. We get the 78,000 approximately value, but on the dataset on level 2 we have salary that is 50,000. It means the model predict the inaccurate value. The model will predict the possible accurate value from level 5 to level 8.9. Now I give the value that is 10 or 11. Now we get the value prox 5,40,000, but on the data set on the level 10 we have 10 lakh salary amount. That means the model predict the inaccurate value. That is in this project. Thanks for watching.